Hey designer, thanks for clicking this video, but before we continue, I want you to do something super easy, and that's hitting the subscribe button. It's super easy. It's not that hard to hit the like button also. Please subscribe so you don't miss creative content on this channel. If you have done that, thank you very much. All right, let's dive. By the end of this video, I will show you how to achieve curved edges to images in Pixellab. First, create a square element. Adjust your radius to your choice. Secondly, click on the square and go to texture to add your image. Note that the size we created our element in was square, so crop the image in square so as to fit into the element. Let's try another one. Note the size of our element in our design, so we will be adjusting the image to the same type of size. Do not turn on maintain ratio, increase the scale instead. Let's try the last one. In times it doesn't fit in properly and you are not satisfied, just keep adjusting the crop till you get what you want. So that's all for this video. If you gained value today, again, don't forget to like it now and subscribe as well. Thank you so much.